Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use public transport in South Korea. First, you'll need a T-Money card, which is truly essential for seamless travel. You can easily buy and load funds onto your card at most convenience stores or subway stations. Remember to tap your card when you enter and exit to ensure correct fare calculation. South Korea's subway system is incredibly efficient and user-friendly. Each line is color-coded, making navigation truly straightforward. Always check the station names and transfer points on the maps provided. Pay attention to the clear signage for exits and connecting lines to reach your destinations smoothly. Buses complement the subway system, offering extensive coverage. They are color-coded, indicating their route type, such as blue for main city routes. For real-time bus tracking and route planning, I recommend using local navigation apps. Just like the subway, remember to tap your T-Money card both when you get on and when you get off. Observing local etiquette enhances everyone's travel experience. Always offer your seat to those who need it more, like the elderly or pregnant women. Keep conversations quiet and phone calls brief to respect fellow passengers. On escalators, remember to stand on the right and walk on the left.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.